channel. So I was gonna do some potting for you guys, but my tripod is MIA. I cannot find it anywhere. I hope that nobody put it on the recycling bin and it went out to the trash, because I did have it out on the table outside when I was working outside and using it, and now I can't find it. But anyways, I will show you. I did a little cleaning, was motivated to do a little cleaning. I have to still pot those, and look at my prints, still going strong. 2 years. Woo woo. Look at over here. Got some cactus up there. Revamped this one. Cleaned it a little bit. I just cleaned it, took off the sand, and added the new surface to it. Also, my Christmas arrangement I have made, I took it apart because my plants seem to be struggling, so I took it apart. But once I took it apart and I looked closer, one of those plants had mealybugs, so I treated that, and I put these here because they can handle just being there in the low light. Not a lot of sun comes through there, and I like because it was in taller pots so that you can see it. And these are here. Another one that was here instead of this one was also struggling to be in here, so I took it out. And then this one that was in the rock, the other one that was the other buddy that was in the rock with that one was struggling as well. I think the roots were just too dry, I guess, when I got them in the mail, and needed some water therapy. So she's inside getting some water therapy. Still need to pot this one. These are doing good. So yeah, you know, every time I look at this one, I get a little bit disappointed in this one because she's stretched out a little bit here. She stretched out. I guess where she was at, she wasn't getting enough light. So I'm a little bummed about that. I like plants to keep their structure. Look at this one. This one's doing so well. This is one that I saved a long time ago. I made a video, and I think it's titled "What's Wrong with My Succulent" or "What's Happening with My Succulent," and she's doing very well. She was tiny, well, smaller than this, but she's grown. She's doing very well. And look at this one. She's flowering a lot, but as you can tell, she's flowering more on one side than the other, because I've told you guys before, most of the succulents and cacti, in order for them to produce their beautiful flowers, they need to get it, you know, a good amount of sunlight so that they have energy to produce the flowers. So on this side, it doesn't have any flowers because it wasn't getting enough light over there. But here, I moved her here, and I think now she'll get some good lighting all around. Guys, look at my, I think this is a cigarette holder, a matchbox holder. It's vintage. I made a video, I believe, way back then on this, and look at how much has grown. So I wanted to tell you guys to call me out. Call me out if I mention on my videos that I'm going to link something and I don't. Please call me out on it, because I forget. And the other day I remembered that I said that I will link a video to another video, and I cannot remember to save my life what video was it. And I was searching and I just couldn't find it. So call me out on that if I do forget, please. Still got the one from Lowe's all together. Doing pretty well. And I have an awesome update for you guys. So, I'll have to look back when I did this. Remember when I looked for free cacti, I think. I'll look back and post the date. So I decided to check on I checked on one of those. I haven't checked on this one. But let's see if I can grab it without. Because this one does have little things that can get in your hand. But let's check. Oh, this is rooted, guys. Look, you can tell just because it's not coming off. Look at that. That's rooted. Awesome. Now I can start thinking of how I want to make my arrangement with these. Because I want to put these in bigger pots. Because these ones I have plans to put on that side of my yard, on the side where I'm going to put my greenhouse. I want to just make it really pretty over there with lots of big pots. So that's my plan with these. Okay, so let me show you this one. I know this one I'll be able to show you. Look at the roots. This one rooted faster than other cacti. Look at that. I'll put this here. And I know this one rooted. I don't want to pull it because I don't know if I'll have enough time to pot it today. I'll probably just fix that. And I still don't know exactly what I want to do. Maybe I'll use this one in a big pot with this. I don't know. But yeah, I'm thinking. So let me go show you something else. Let's go check over here. A lot of my plants are outside. So I'll give you guys a little update. See, I took all that off. And look, we have the cement floor for the storage, the house storage, whatever you want to call it. Why can't I think right now? Storage. And here are some of the ones that I potted up, that I took out. She was in the ground. She was in the ground. Let's see. This one was in the ground. But a lot, so these two that are in here, they're in there because they probably have lots of cuttings. Because I decided just to cut it up and put it in there. So that's why it's in there. Look at how this is doing, guys. Remember? You remember when I rescued that? That's huge. She's so big. Look at my hand. Look at that. It's so big. Doing so well. This one is over here leaning this way. I'll probably put like a little stick here so she can stay in her lane. But look at all those in there. So that's nice. So everyone's doing good. So I have a lot of my plants out here as well because it's supposed to rain and they do need water. So I decided to go ahead and put them out here so they can get a good drink of water. Even if it rains for 2 days, I think they'll be fine. So it is supposed to rain, so we'll see about that. See, I have a bunch of them here. Look at those colors, those pastel colors. So they're out here waiting for the rain, and then once it rains, I'm gonna see if if they got a good amount of water, and then I'll put them back in the greenhouse, and I think they should be fine. So yep, that's it for that update. So let's go over here and check out the plants that I got for free that were waiting to see if they get roots. Come on, Maxie. She wants to follow me. Come on. Okay, let's check out the situation. I can't wait till this is all nice over here. Okay, so look, they don't look pretty. They're just plopping there sideways and everything, but it doesn't matter because I'm just trying to get them to root. Once they root, I'll put them in nice pots, make arrangements with them, and that's it. I can tell that this is probably not rooted. It's funny how the cacti rooted quicker. I wonder if it's because it has more water. Oh, is that a root? No, that's not a root. No roots. So this is probably going to take longer than the cacti did. Now I wonder about my big San Pedro cactus. Like, I mean, I guess I can try checking on the little one and go based on that. Okay, so this is here, Devil's Backbone. One of these did have root. I think it was a small one, I'm not sure, but the big one didn't. That's not rooted at all. Maxie, what are you doing, Maxie? Maxie, come here. She's like digging back there. Yeah, this is not rooted at all. If anything, that looks bad. That looks bad right here. I mean, it's really hard, but I don't know if that's gonna, I don't know if I have to trim that off to root it. Maybe I'll try to root this one in water. Maybe she'll root better in water. Let's see. See, this one already had roots. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll, oh, you see, I guess that's how it looks. The stick looks just like the other one. So I'll try to root this in water and see how that does. But I'm interested in looking into this here and seeing if this rooted. If it rooted, I can take it out of here and put it somewhere where it gets morning sun for now while it adjusts, because she's been in the shade. Look, she's got little flowers. I can't wait till you flower. Yep, there's tiny roots in this one. Ah, I'm so sorry. Can you see the tiny roots? There it is. Cool beans. Okay. Let's check this long one right here. This crazy looking one. Ow. It already pricked me. You know what I need to invest in? Some good gloves that are specifically made for handling cacti. This one has not rooted. Can also try to root this one in water because, you know, it's little, skinny. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is about the flower over here, and it's all shoved over here, touching the wall. Hold on. Oh, look, it has roots. You see the roots? And look at the flower. Oh, that one wasn't able to open. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. I wonder if it's gonna open all the way. I see ants on it. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll pot this in a small pot. Look at that. That's cute. So this one's got some here too. So I'm pretty sure this one's rooted as well. Yep, I could. Yeah, I need to fix her though. Let me do that. 1 second. I decided to pull her out just to show you guys. Look at those roots. So nice. So cool. I'm gonna pot her up nicely and move her somewhere where I could admire her. And yeah, she can look pretty. So here she is, all potted up. I know that normally I always do 3 plants, but I was gonna only put a couple of these. And I just really liked the way the red popped with the dark green. So I decided to go ahead and put it in there for now. If it overtakes the pot, then I could just remove them and pot them somewhere else. But yeah, look at how cute she looks. She's so cute. Look at that red. So nice. I hope these open up. I hope they do. Hopefully when the rain comes, she'll get a little bit cleaned. I don't know if that's scarring or not, or just stuff that's stuck on her. Anyways, let's go see what else. So, I wish this was easy to pull out to see if it rooted, but I just left this here like that, and when I went to move it, surprise, surprise, it has roots. How cool is that? It rooted on its own right there, just laying there. That's so cool. I need to also pot her up. I don't know if I'll do that today, but I'm definitely probably tomorrow pot her up in a pot. I don't know if it'll probably be a simple pot just for now, because I don't know what kind of arrangements I'm going to be doing. And here's another one that I just laid there, and there's some roots right there. So that's pretty cool. Now, oh, I wish there was an easy way of me knowing if this rooted. Oh, there's a lot of bugs in there, like those gnats. Yeah, there's a lot of gnats in there. I hope that there's no negative reason why. Oh, the soil is a little moisture. You can feel a little moisture, but I guess I'm gonna pull this out and see if it has roots, and if it doesn't, then back in it goes. And then I can't do nothing right now about the bugs. I'll just have to wait until it's rooted, and then I can treat it. So let's just see if I have any roots. I know this can take longer. It's a big cut and it's just different. Trying to see what it looks like under there. It's pretty hard to look to see. Whoopsie, sorry. Dropped it. Yeah, it's very moist in there. Yeah. That's very, a lot of moisture. I'm wondering about this. I feel little nubbies here. I feel like a little nubby. Like that's a root. I think that might be a root. I should have tried potting these, rooting these separately, because the pot's so heavy. It's hard. But I think that this might be a root here. I'm sorry, I didn't notice it was out of focus. But yeah, that's pretty damp in there. But I mean, these cactuses, they're pretty strong. I've seen quite a few around here in Florida. So I don't know. This looks pretty dark here. I don't know if that's okay. I'm not sure. I don't know what I should do. That's dark. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna leave it and take a chance. If it roots, it roots. If it rots, it rots. It was free. Hey, little lizard. It was free, and then I can always, you know, I know someone had offered me a cutting, so I can always try again. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take the chance right now and put it back in there and just see what happens. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry, my tripod is MIA. And it's about to storm, I think. Let's see if you guys can see the darkness of the room. And it's been pretty windy, so we'll just have to see. Anyways, guys, again, thank you so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.